Okay, what is a thesis statement? So a thesis statement clearly identifies the topic being discussed, and it includes the points discussed in the paper, and it's written for a specific audience, okay? Usually the last sentence of an essay's introduction is the thesis statement. So for the sake of this essay, that's where I'm going to encourage you to place your thesis statement, is as the last sentence of your introduction, and you'll see in your essay outline that I provided, that's where that'll go on your outline. Okay, so how do you write a compare and contrast essay's thesis statement? Well, you need to do two things. The first thing you need to do is clearly identify the two subjects that you will be comparing and contrasting. Then you are going to list the 3 points of comparison. These will be the topics of your body paragraphs, okay? When you're doing this, you're not going to go into details about each point of comparison. You're just giving your reader a preview of what's to come in the body paragraphs. So a thesis statement kind of serves as a trailer for your essay, like a trailer for a movie gives you a taste of what to expect in the movie. The thesis statement gives you the reader a taste of what to expect in the essay. So here I've included the thesis statement from that student sample. Now, your thesis statement doesn't need to look exactly like this. Your thesis statement should not say, when deciding between blank and blank, one should consider blank, blank, blank. Okay, this is not a fill in the blank example. Okay, I give this example, I want you to take it, be inspired by it, and then change up the wording, okay? Include your content. So we'll see that this student clearly identifies the two subjects being compared and contrasted. They say, when deciding to go to the movies or staying in, okay? So the two topics are going to the movies and staying in. One should consider the atmosphere, that's point of comparison number 1, the price, point of comparison number 2, and movie selections, point of comparison number 3. Okay, again, don't just copy and paste this sentence and then fill it in with your topics. Okay, be creative, write your sentence differently. Okay, I will notice if you just copy and paste it like that. Okay, next up are topic sentences. After you've written your thesis statement, you can write your topic sentence. So an effective topic sentence for your compare and contrast essay it'll be the first sentence of your body paragraph. You are supposed to have 3 body paragraphs for this essay, so you should have 3 different topic sentences. It's going to focus and expand upon one of the points of your comparison from your thesis statement. It's going to inform the reader of the subject that will be discussed in the paragraph. It should intrigue the reader to continue reading, okay? It needs to be engaging and interesting. It should not be vague, rambling, too narrow, or too broad, okay? You want to be very clear with what the reader can expect while still intriguing them and getting them interested in reading your paper. So here's an example, okay? The example comes from the point of comparison of atmosphere, okay? So that was the first point of comparison that the sample student essay included. So it says, both the movies and staying at home have a certain atmosphere that is unlike the other. Okay, you'll notice they don't say, in this paragraph, I'm going to talk about the atmosphere of movies and staying home. Okay, she's taking the topic of atmosphere and going deeper and telling us that the atmospheres are different, okay? They're unlike each other. And so she's giving us a preview of what she's going to be addressing in this body paragraph. So she's going to be talking about the atmosphere, and she's going to be talking about how the atmosphere of staying at home versus to watch a movie versus going to the movies is similar and different. Now, I want us to go back real quick to the thesis statement because this is very important. When you do your body paragraphs, your points of comparison, your body paragraphs should align with the order that they are in the thesis statement. So you'll see right here, she says her points of comparison are the atmosphere, the price, and movie selections. So the first body paragraph should be about the atmosphere. Go in the same order as your thesis statement. Then the second body paragraph will be about the price, and the third body paragraph is about the movie selections. Make sure you go in the same order because this is your roadmap for your essay, okay? So first, go with your first point that's included in your thesis statement. Second, third, go in that order when you do your topic statements and your body paragraphs, or your topic sentences and your body paragraphs. Again, I don't want you to just take this sentence and then plug in your own information, okay? Your sentence should be different. Have variety, okay? Write the way that you would present it. Don't just go and use this person's format and words. This is an example, but it is not something you should mimic. Okay, so now it's your turn. You are going to write the thesis statement and 3 topic sentences for your essay. You will submit this in the discussion board on Blackboard, so your classmates and I can give you feedback. Don't start writing your essay. Don't get too far into your outline or anything until you've received feedback, okay? Because if you make a mistake here, we want to address it now before you spend hours writing your essay. If you have any questions, as always, you can email me, come to my office hours, or message me on Remind.